In our family, my dad's the quiet, strong, silent type who worked his whole life in construction. He was a man of few words but many calluses. But my mom, she's the exact opposite. She's outgoing, always chatting with everyone, so I guess you could say I inherited a little bit of both of their personalities. So while I love talking about credit card points and banking loopholes that save us a ton of money, I know not everybody feels the same. Some of you are introverted and would rather get straight to the juicy info without the fluff. So I want to give a shout out to those of you who comment below saying, skip the stories, give me the good stuff, and this one's for you. You ready? Okay, let's do this. I'm going to break down the Amex Platinum Card's best tricks, hidden perks, and Amex secret hacks. Now the goal is simple. I want you to walk away knowing exactly how to use the Amex Platinum to its full potential so you can save tons of cash. Plus, I'll show you my personal strategy for getting the most bang for your buck out of your American Express Platinum Card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're covering the top 6 Amex Platinum tricks that you need to know right now. I want you to stick around because the last tip is by far the most important. It saved us over $15,000 in 1 year, and it can do the same for you too. Now, if you're new here, we talk all things credit cards, cashback, travel hacking, and building wealth. All right, let's get started. Now I know what you're thinking. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss expert tips that can grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Yes, the Amex Platinum is expensive with a $695 annual fee, but if you play your cards right, you can easily earn back that fee and then some. Trust me, the value you'll unlock with these Amex Platinum hacks is insane. Let's dive right in. Number 1, airline fee credits. With the airline fee credits, you can essentially have free checked bags. I mean, think about it. Most airlines charge up to $30 each way to check a bag. So multiply that by 2 people flying one way and suddenly you re-out $60. Imagine getting that money back every single month. Well, with the Platinum you can. You simply link an airline of your choice to your card and voila, you get a $200 airline incidental credit every month. It's like getting reimbursed for checking bags, seat upgrades, or even in-flight purchases. Just a friendly reminder though, if you don't use the airline credits for whatever reason, they unfortunately do not roll over. So please make sure to use them, or try to find someone who can benefit from them as well. Number 2, Uber rideshare credits. The Amex Platinum comes with a cool $15 Uber cash credit every month. That's $180 a year towards Uber rides or Uber Eats. But there's a pro tip to level up this benefit. You can actually stack multiple credits together. So for example, let's say you have the Equinox card, which also gives you a $15 credit at Uber. Bam. Suddenly, you have a $30 credit on Uber every single month. I've also seen people stack it with the Morgan Stanley card as well. If you guys have any more cards that offer Uber Cash, please comment below because why not stack as much as possible, right? Number 3, free streaming service. The Amex Platinum covers the cost of a streaming service every single month. Yep, you heard that right. You get $15.99 every single month to spend on movies, TV shows, or documentaries. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer since many streaming services cost less than that anyways. Number 4, hotel perks. I recently stayed at the Ritz-Carlton in LA, and guess what? It was completely comped thanks to the Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts program. As an Amex Platinum holder, I booked the stay through the Amex website, and boom, I got a complimentary room upgrade, free breakfast, and late checkout. These perks are automatically applied to eligible hotels and resorts worldwide. Now number 5, global dining benefits. Did you know that you can get up to a $100 dining credit when you book through the Amex website? If you're planning a night out anyways, why not get a little extra cash back in your pocket? Number 6, concierge. The Amex Platinum Concierge is super useful. They can score you hard to get tickets for events, concerts, or plays. They can also help with restaurant reservations, flight itinerary changes, and even securing hard-to-book hotel rooms. Here's the kicker. All of these perks and benefits add up to serious cash back in your pocket. My wife and I have earned tens of thousands of dollars in value from the Amex Platinum alone. That's why I call it the $15,000 Swiss Army knife for your wallet. The only issue is most people don't even realize these perks exist, let alone how to maximize them. It's like buying a smartphone and only using it for calls when in reality, it can replace your camera, your GPS, and your computer. Same thing with the Amex Platinum. If you don't know the tricks, you're missing out big time. So here's the deal. I'm going to let you in on the secret strategies I use to unlock over $15,000 of value from the Amex Platinum in just 1 year. I'll break it down for you step by step so you can do the same. Now keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. This is just what has worked for me personally. So please do your own research and due diligence. First off, the welcome bonus is a game changer. When I signed up, they were offering a whopping 100,000 membership rewards points after spending $6,000 in the first 6 months. That's like getting $1,500 cash back in your pocket. But here's the smart move. I transferred those points to Air Canada Aeroplan and scored 150,000 Aeroplan miles. Why Air Canada? Because they're a transfer partner of American Express. But there's more. The Amex Platinum lets you earn 5x points on airfare booked directly with airlines. So whenever I book a flight, I use my Platinum to rack up those points. It's like getting 5% cash back on every purchase. And don't forget about the shopping portal. It may sound old school, but it works. When you shop online, you can go through the Amex portal and get a nice little bonus. It's an extra 2 or 3% cash back. Might not seem like much, but it adds up quick. And then there's Amex Offers. This is where you can find secret coupons or discounts from merchants, from restaurants to home improvement stores. You can save a bunch of money. For instance, once I got $300 in statement credits when I booked a home project through Home Depot, or when I wanted to buy a pair of shoes, I found a code through Amex that gave me 15% off. By the way, guys, real quick, if you're finding this info helpful, smash that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Every week I drop new credit card secrets and money-saving tips. It's totally free, and you don't want to miss out on future updates. All right, back to the breakdown. One thing you must know is the Amex transfer partners. When you sign up for a credit card, you usually earn points or miles that are tied to that specific card. But transfer partners allow you to move those points to another program. For example, let's say you have Chase Ultimate Rewards points. Chase isn't a transfer partner of American Express. So if you want to use those points with American Express, you'll have to move them first. Transferring points lets you maximize the value of your rewards. It's like trading Pokemon cards. Sometimes you can get rare ones that are really valuable. So before you use your points or redeem them for cash back, look into transfer partners to see if you can get more bang for your buck. For instance, my wife and I transferred Chase points to Hyatt and snagged a free weekend getaway. It's pretty smart, right? Check out this sweet trick. They actually have 2 Chase cards and 2 Amex cards. Here's what we did. On one of our Chase cards, we stacked up 5x points on travel. At the same time, we had the Amex Platinum with its 5x points on flights. So basically, we were earning points like crazy on everything. Then we used the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal for all our travel bookings. That way we got even more points on top of the 5x. By stacking up points, we could easily cover annual fees and snag some freebies. One thing to watch out for, though, is credit card churning. It's a popular strategy, but you gotta be careful. Once you start churning cards, you want to cancel them before the intro offer ends. Otherwise, the 5x points will stop. Also, be careful with annual fees. If you don't use the card enough to cover the fee, it's not worth it. Look, guys, I know all this might seem overwhelming, but don't worry. We've been doing this for years, and it took us a while to figure it all out. So I'm spilling all these beans right here. I created a free guide called Stop Wasting Money that helps you track credit card bonuses and avoid those costly mistakes. It's filled with insider tips and real-life examples. Just check the description below to grab it. Now that you have all these tools in your toolbox, let's talk about the big payoff. How much cash can you realistically expect to save with these tricks? So there you have it. The Amex Platinum's biggest tricks and hidden gems unlocked. It's like discovering secret cheat codes that make the game of credit cards way more rewarding. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos where I'll teach you how to avoid the 5 credit card traps that most people fall for. Stay tuned. See you next time. Peace.